Hmm? Lug-lug-lug man yan. Yes. You're going to wash the clothes.
Ay ka na. No more water na. Come on. You go back to mommy na. Ito maglalaban na ako. Basa na yung jacket.
He doesn't like. Nakahawak siya to. Luan.
Ikaw mo yun ah.